Hi everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and this is your reminder that Mother's Day is coming up. In case you don't have a gift yet, I wanted to show you this Mother's Day mosaic. And this mosaic is actually made out of black-eyed peas. So it's actually pretty cool that you can take black-eyed peas and turn it into beautiful art. This is also a project that you can do with your kids, and depending on their age, you may need to help them a little bit, but this really is a fun project. To begin, you will want to print out the heart template and then cut out the heart with some scissors. Paint around the word mom with the darker pink color. Put Mod Podge on the back of the heart and completely cover it in Mod Podge, and then lay it down in the middle of the sign. Make sure that you smooth it out so that you don't have too many bubbles. Now you are going to start gluing down the black-eyed peas, and to begin you will start with the word mom, and so you'll put down a little bit of Mod Podge and then individually put each black-eyed pea down, and you'll do this until you complete the word mom. Once you finish completing the word mom and putting all of the beans on that word, you will then take your dark pink paint and go back in and touch up any spots where you might see the outline of the word or some of the white paper peeking through. Now you will paint the top of the beans with the color white. In small sections, add a little Mod Podge to the edge of the heart and then lay down the black-eyed peas, and continue to do this until you make your way around the whole edge of the heart. Don't worry about getting Mod Podge on the wood sign because it not only dries clear, but we're also going to be covering the entire inside of that sign. Paint the beans that make up the outline edge of the heart in golden ochre. Next, you will fill in the rest of the heart and glue down more black-eyed peas. Don't worry about getting in the small spots and corners of where the words are, and you will instead do a straight line of beans at the bottom and the top of the word mom. Once you have completely filled the heart with the black-eyed peas, you will then go in with that dark pink color that you first used to paint around the word mom, and you will use that paint to completely cover all of the beans that make up the middle of the heart. Next, you will fill up the rest of the sign with black-eyed peas. So you will continue the same steps where you put down Mod Podge and black-eyed peas, and continue to do this until the whole sign is completely covered. The last thing you will do is paint the remaining beans in your light pink paint. Let the paint completely dry, and then your sign is ready to be gifted to your mom. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects. And don't forget to send a whole lot of love to all the women in your life this Mother's Day.